Hello, welcome to my YouTube page. I am about to create a pivot table for um, MacBook Pro Excel 2011, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a pivot table. Like I said, first of all, what you've got to do is get your data. As you can see, I've got my data right here. Get your data up, whatever that might be, and with the Mac, for the Excel version, you're going to click Data at the very top, and you're going to scroll down right there to Pivot Table to get started making a pivot table. Now, for this video, I'm actually going to be doing something specific, but there are many different things that you can do with the pivot table. Sorts all kind of the data, shows you everything that you need to know, whether you want to do it could be for anything. But let's get started. You click on Pivot Table, and then right there where it says choose the data that you want to analyze, use the table arranged in this workbook location. This location's got all of my data, which is what I want to use, but you can of course click there where I've got the arrow, and you can choose really anything that you want from the data. In this case, like I said, it kind of guessed everything right, so it's got all the data that I need. And then up under that it says choose where you want to place the pivot table. We're going to put it in a new worksheet, but you can put it in the one currently that we're in. Okay, so then we're going to move us to a new screen. As you can see, what it does, if you look down here where it says sheet 3, it moved us to a new sheet. You can simply go back to the data by clicking sheet 1, go back to sheet 3, and let's get started. Okay, so what you first want to do when making a pivot table, you got to know what you're trying to get. I'm going to try and find the average sale price per building square foot by state. Okay, so in the row area right over here, you're going to want to put whatever it is that you're trying to find. In this case, I'm going to be doing it by state. So you can simply click that and put it there, but as you can see, actually when you click it, it put it in the wrong area, put it in the values. So unclick that if it does that, if it's not where you want, and drag. As you can see, I'm dragging the state down a row label because I'm going by state to find the average sale price per building square foot by state. Boom. As you can see, it brings up every state that's in my data back on the other sheet. Then what you're going to do, depending upon what it is that you're trying to actually find, you're going to click whatever it might be. I'm going to click on the average sales price per building square foot. So look for that, sale price, building square foot, and I'm going to drag that to values because that's what it is that I'm trying to actually find per state, or by state rather. Click it, put it there, and it gives you a total. Now, that total is not the average. We're trying to find the average. So what you do when you want to find the average of any information, you click on this I. In this I, you'll see it'll tell you what it's summarized by. It's got many different things: sum, count, average, max, min, product, anything pretty much. I'm going to click average because I'm trying to find the average. Boom. I've got the average of each state of their sale price per building square foot. And I've actually completed what it is that I need to do, but there's many different things that you can do. If you click on the information link on here, you can go to options. It'll let you pick based off your field what it is that you want to do. Number, it's loading a little. So number, you can put it into just a regular number, and as you can see, like it's negatives, stuff like that. Currency, if you're dealing with money or you're accounting or something like that. Date and time, how you want to put it. It's a really cool source, but in this case, that's how we use it. But this has been, oh, hold on a second. Actually changed it. I tell you what, this could be a learning tool. I accidentally changed it to go by the date, but we're going by general. So simply go back, press OK, then it brings everything back to normal, and it shows you the average of each state over here. And when you click on that, don't be alarmed if your pivot table screen goes away. You can click on that and it'll bring it right back up for you. I hope that this has been helpful. Thank you.